while. I'm on my way to Swartkoop's Skidpan Day, and yeah, let's have some fun. So today might be a bit different. I did invite all of my colleagues, so let's see if we can capture some first-timer reactions. In regards to the long wait to YouTube, it's not dead, but it's dead. So I still own the car. It's just difficult because the office is quite far and it's still my only daily. So yeah, maintenance, and if I break something on the track, I don't have transport to the office. So yeah, it's basically only maintenance. The exhaust had quite an ugly rattle. I'll add a audio in here. Since then it's basically just maintenance. Upgrades, well, it's a maintenance upgrade modification, the exhaust. So yeah, new back box, new tip, so it might notice a bit difference in the sound, but yes, you on the highway, the droning is so much less, so that's a bit an upgrade, if you say, in regards to your ears. Yeah, and look at this. So yeah, my phone holder, I had a photo here, and yeah, we are at Swartkoop's, and let's set up and start the day.
It was at this moment he knew. He f***ed up.
Okay, so that's the end of the day. Quiet day, and all done. Fan belt broke. Looks like one of the pulleys or tensioners came loose, and all gone. So yeah, calling it a day, and yeah, towing it back. Okay, so predictions. Tensioner pulley around there. That pulley sticks out about there, and the nut came loose and the pulley came off. Then the main belt came loose and ripped off the auxiliary belt as well, and that's why it looks like that. So yeah, that's end of that, and hope you had fun and enjoy.